Introduction to Accurate Meal Logging.
Tracking your meals accurately is essential for effective calorie counting and reaching your health goals. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step for logging your meals using MyFitnessPal, helping you make the most of this powerful app and ensuring your entries are as precise as possible.
Setting up your MyFitnessPal account.
Begin by creating or logging into your MyFitnessPal account. Once inside, set your personal goals and update your profile with details like age, weight, and activity level. This ensures that your tracking is tailored to your needs and helps the app provide accurate calorie and nutrient recommendations.
Finding and logging foods.
To log a meal, tap the Add Food button under the respective meal category: breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Use the search bar to find your food item. Select the most accurate match by verifying portion sizes and nutrition information. For packaged foods, scan the barcode for quicker and more precise entry.
Customizing portions and serving sizes.
Accurate calorie tracking depends on correct portion sizes. Adjust the serving size and number of servings to reflect what you actually ate. For home-cooked meals, use a kitchen scale for best results and enter recipes to log multiple ingredients at once. This helps avoid underestimating or overestimating your intake.
Reviewing and editing your diary.
After logging your foods, review your diary to check for errors or omissions. Double-check that each entry matches what you've eaten and edit if needed. This habit ensures your calorie and nutrient totals are correct, helping you stay on track with your goals and make informed decisions throughout the day.
Tips for consistent and accurate tracking.
Stay honest immediately after eating to avoid forgetting details. Make use of MyFitnessPal's features like saving frequent meals and recipes for faster logging. Stay honest, even on days when your choices aren't perfect. Consistency leads to better results and helps you understand your eating patterns over time.